Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, today we'll see about the SSS. This is our international code for fire safety systems. SSS code. International code for fire safety systems. Now, this one is basically code. We can say we must refer the SOLAS also along with this. SOLAS chapter 2-2. So in this we are going to have the chapter 1. Okay, chapter wise we will go. What is the chapter? Chapter 1 is general. That is general definitions and all that is given chapter 1. So all the definitions you are going to find here. Chapter 2. This is about the international connections. Then chapter 3, personal protections. Fire extinguishers. Fixed gas fire extinguishing systems. Six, fixed form, fire extinguishing systems. 7, fixed pressure, water spraying and water mist. Fire extinguishing systems. Eight is automatic sprinkler, fire detection and fire alarm system. Chapter 9, fixed fire detection and fire alarm system. Pain, sample extraction, smoke detection system. Eleven is low locating lighting system. 12 is fixed emergency fire pumps. 13, arrangement of means of escape. It take form systems, and 15 is inert gas. Okay, so this is the chapter wise. I hope I have completed all. Yes, up to the 15. Well, okay, so this deals with FSS along with the chapter 2-2. Okay, and there is a one more is just chapter 16 that has come newly, that is the fixed hydrocarbon gas detection systems. Okay. So it is the annex wise also in the FSS, you will find many annex is also there. So annex wise it is given all the guidelines also in the FSS code. This is the new one has come 16 fixed hydrocarbon gas detection systems. Okay. So today's topic we will take only for the firefighting systems. That is this one, fire extinguishers. Then I will cover this also, international so fixed fire extinguishers, and this all I will be covering one by one. Okay. So today we will cover this fire extinguishers. This part. Firefighting appliances. If we see the firefighting appliances, in that one we are going to have basically we are going to have the portable fire extinguishers, then fixed extinguishers, then fireman outfit, and other critical appliances. Now, generally in the portable, we are going to have the CO2, water-based, mechanical form, and dry chemical powder. Fixed firefighting, we are going to have CO2, water sprinkler, fireman, high expansion form, low expansion form, and hypermist. Okay. Now there are the class of fires. Class of fire, if we see, if it is that is the FSS code.
Sir, can you just scroll up a bit?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Fire. So just let me put one. I think class of fire. 1 minute. Just. So class of fire that is given in the FSS, that is the class A. This is for the carbonaceous and we are going to extinguish this fire by using water mostly. Okay, mostly by using the water. That is the class A fire. Then there is a class B. This is about oil fire. We are going to use the foam, BCP or CO2. Class C, that is the gas or chemical fire. We use only DCP in this. Then there is a class D. This is a metal fire. That we are going to use the DCP only. There is nothing like electrical fire, but this all fires can convert into the electrical fire. And if there is electrical fire, that is not a class of fire again. It is finished here. There is two more class of fires are there, but let me tell you about that also. That as per the FSS, it says the class of fire. That as per the ISO, International Organization of Standard. So that says one more fire is here. As per that, as per ISO, as per ISO. ISO is International Organization for Standardization, ISO. So ISO standard is there, that is the ISO standard 3941. So A, B, C, that is same, D is also same. Okay, then it says about class F, class F fire. So this fire, that fire involves the cooking oil. Cooking oil. Again, in this one, we are going to use either the DCP or the CO2. Cooking oil. Then National Fire Protection Associations, they national as per National Fire Protection Association. National Fire Protection Association. So this is the 10. So as per this, it class A. This one is categorized as a class A. Class A. That is also same for the cooking oil. Rest all are same. As per this, rest all A, B, C, D is same only. Okay, only for the cooking oil separately, they say A for K. So as per that standard, you will find this one. So again, this is the cooking oil. We are going to use the DCP for the CO2. Then there is nothing like electrical fire and all, but if it is going to convert into the electrical fire, in that case, we are going to use for the electrical fire DCP, like switchboards are there. Then there is chances that there is going to be an electrical fire. So in that case, because it is a live circuits and also we must switch off before using the DCP and the CO2. So generally this is being used. It is not a classification of fire. Electrical fire does not come in any class of fire. Okay. Then how we are going to extinguish the fire? So extinguishing of fire is done by three methods. One is known as a starvation. Three methods. To extinguish the fire. Fire triangle, everybody is knowing that one. So star any of that one if we remove, and if you are going to remove the fuel, then it is known as a starvation. So cutting the fuel or removing the fuel. So that is the starvation. Is smothering, that is cutting the air, and cooling, that is lowering the temperature. Lowering the temperature. Okay. Then there is a SOLAS regulations about this. Let's go about this one. So there is a SOLAS regulations. That is the chapter 2-2 part C, regulation 3. Part C, regulation 3. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, let's go about this. So it says that all the accommodations spaces, service spaces, and control stations should have the appropriate fire extinguishers and sufficient number Okay, fire extinguishers. Now it says that ships, that is 1000 GT and upwards, they're supposed to have at least 5 portable fire extinguishers. So this is about the 1000 GT and upwards. So they're supposed to have this. And the total weight of any extinguishers shall not exceed total weight shall not be more than 23 kg, and capacity of fluid not less than 9 liter, and not more than 13.5 liter. Then it says also that one of the portable fire extinguisher shall be near the entrance. Wherever we are going to use, in which room or spaces, anywhere. So near the entrance to that space. Like if the MSB is there, so near the entrance we should have the portable fire extinguishers of CO2. Then it says about CO2 fire extinguishers. CO2 portable. Okay, portable fire extinguishers. I am writing in short. Okay, PAP, portable fire extinguishers. I am writing in short. Portable fire extinguishers. So CO2 PAP shall not be used in accommodation. Then all the PFEs shall be situated in ready to use, it easily visible. Then all the PFEs shall be provided with device which indicates whether they are Used means already they have been used or not. Okay, if they are used, so there's supposed to be some indications should be there in that. So generally we have the, if it is having a pressure, generally we have that. So if the pressure is less, we know it has been used. The spare charges that we are going to charge, that one. So spare charge shall be provided for 100% of the first 10 extinguishers or 10 PFE we write here, and 50% of the remaining PFE. Capable of being charged on board ship so we can easily charge that one, but not more than 60. Total spare charge, its maximum we can keep 60 only, spare charge are required. Then it says about portable. Okay, I think I'm writing PFE. PFE which can't be recharged on board additional PFE of same quantity, type, capacity shall be provided. Okay. So it is same shall be provided. Okay. So this is about the SOLAS regulations. I give you one this which type of firefighting that is being used, and we'll try to see the just wait. I got that one and I put it.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, portable CO2, you have fitted use, sir. Accommodation can be used, sir. Sure.
No, no. I have written already that in the SOLAS regulation.
Lekin I said
CO2 we cannot use in the accommodation.
okay.
That's right. here from the file. Okay, you can see here, this is a dry powder. When take a screenshot, so it is very easy to recognize. Dry powder, foam spray, water, CO2. Okay. So A, B, C, the classes is also written that one. Okay, foam spray and water with only for the A, CO2 only for the B, and electrical equipment. Okay, so it's giving a very clear picture. Just take a screenshot of this. Okay, then let's see about the water extinguishers. First one. PFE, portable fire extinguishers. So water one, as you have seen, it is used for the class A fire only. Okay, so in this also it is given, only it is used for the class A. Generally on board ships for this type, we are having the portable water type of 9 liter. Okay. In this one, the outer container, we will see that photo also. I think. Okay, let me put this photo. Okay, insert picture file. This one. So this is the water type. I have taken from the Marine Insight, so that is available in that also. You can go through that. Also, if you want, you can go. So it is going to the outer container. If you see in this one, the outer container is filled with water. And inner container is having inner, there is a 2 container. So this is the water, this is the outer container. We are going to have the water. And there is a inner container. This is the gas cartridge is there, inner container. So inner container is having the CO2 cartridge. How to use this one? Once you are going to remove the safety clip, here the safety clip is there. You first remove that one. You can see the pressure gauge, how much it is there. Holding the steering nozzle. Then this is the operating lever. Once you operate this cartridge, gets rapture. Once it is rapture, it will force, okay, the water to come out. So that is how we are going to operate this one. So when CO2 cartridge is raptured, it forces water to come out from container with pressure. Okay, so with pressure it is going to come. This cartridge which is there, that is the CO2 cartridge. This is generally 74 milligram and it is having a 36 bar pressure. 36 bar pressure. How to operate this one? Operating. So carry the PFE nearby the fire scene, wherever the fire is there. Hold hose towards the fire. Remove safety pin and strike plunger. If plunger is there, you must strike that one. Okay. So it is going to operate for from the 6-meter jet and for 60 seconds it is going to operate. So from the 6-meter jet it is going to have a jet spray and for the 60 seconds that it is going to operate. Maintenance. Generally weekly checks and all that is there, weekly and monthly. We'll try to see that also. Weekly maintenance we need to do in this one. Generally it is not a part of us, but it is a safety. So they can ask this question. What maintenance is carried out? So check the exterior, clean exterior. Check nozzle, outlet, and clean. Then check relief hole. There is a relief hole in that one and clean it. There is going to be a monthly checks in this. Again, check internal. Check gas cartridge. Check plunger. Check spring. And weighing supposed to be done, weight of cylinder. Pay the monthly. Then there is a yearly pressure test that will be carried out. So generally this pressure test is carried out by 35 bar before recharging. So this is a vendor that is going to take it and he is going to do this. So generally from the outside, they are going to come and technicians, they come and they do it. Then let's see about the mechanical form type. Mechanical form type. This is used for the class A and B both. Let us put the photo that is the picture. So this is a mechanical form type. It is also having the same outer and inner. So outer one filled with the water. So outer container, you can see here, this is the water outer container. That is having the water. And we are going to have the inner container. In this, we are going to have the CO2 cartridge and foam solution. Okay, so this is the foam solutions. And this is the cartridge. Then we are going to have the deep tube. You can see here, it will be up to the bottom below of that one. Okay. Now, the center parts here, we need to remove this safety cap, strike this plunger. This is going to pierce this one. Now, once it is pierced, the CO2 will be out and it is going to mix with the water. It will pressurize and these foams, that is the foam is there, that is going to mix with the water and it will come out with the nozzle. So nozzle here, the Venturi effect will be there. There is a air inlet through this one and water and foam mixing that is going to come through the nozzle, and due to the Venturi effect, it is going to create a mechanical foam. Okay, mechanical foam. So that is how it is going to be operated. Now this gas cartridge is again, this gas cartridge is there. Having the same weight, it is more 74 mg, and the pressure of this one it is 36 bar. Duration again for 6-meter jet, 6-meter jet, it is for the 60 seconds. Now, how to operate this one? Same carry the PFE.
So can you scroll down a little bit?
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Near the fire, then hold nozzle towards the fire surface. Remove safety pin and strike the plunger. Now here do not allow the foam to strike because it is going to have a jet pressure. So do not strike on the surface of burning liquid. So we need to direct the nozzle, direct the foam to some nearby vertical surface so that the foam runs down the side. And blanket the liquid. So generally, like we have a surface here like this. Okay, and we are going to have suppose a fire here. So this is a fire, liquid fire is there. So when we are going to hold this nozzle, when we are holding this one, and the foam which is coming, basically it's supposed to come here in this one. And slowly it will come and it is going to blanket this one. Okay, it will slide like this and blanket. So always we should have a vertical, any sides are there, we must. We must do also the sweeping movement. Okay, sweeping movement is required to do. So everywhere equal form that is distributed. Okay. Maintenance part that is same. Okay. Whatever it is there in that one, it is the same. Okay. Now let's go for the CO2 extinguishers. CO2 PFT. This is used for the class B fire and for electrical equipment. Okay, so it contains 4.5 kg of CO2, 53 bar. So that is the pressure. Duration 3 to 4 meter length for 20 seconds. It should have the pressure testing. So the cylinder that should be pressure tested. 210 bar prior recharge. So it is again to be noted that it is to be recharged only at SOAR facility. So authorized SOAR facilities are there, they are going to recharge that one. Second, we should note that it should be at least 750 mm above the floor level. Okay, it should be 750 mm because it is having the gas which can expand. Okay, so your internal pressure that is going to increase or decrease. So that's why it may increase, and that will be a problem, and that's why we are going to store this one at the 750 mm height. Okay. Let me put the picture first. Okay. I think this fire is used CO2 for class B. Class B. No? Yeah. And electrical. Working or same working is remove the pin, remove the safety pin, okay, then direct the hose at the base of fire and operate the lever. Do the sweeping action across the surface on burning materials. Now, generally, when we are going to use in open air, then we must stand in upwind side of the fire. Now, when it is going to be used for the electrical equipment, okay, this is important. When it is going to be used for this, the supply must be switched off. Remember this one, otherwise because it is coming with a very high pressure, so the moisture is going to settle in the hose, the nozzle, okay, where you are going to hold. And due to that moisture, you will get the shock. So there are the chances of the electrical shock. Switch off. So it is going to give a electrical chances of electrical shock is there. Electric shock due to moisture will settle during operation in nozzle, because it is cooling also, it cools down. Okay, and very high pressure when it is going to release, surrounding areas will be cooled and moisture will settle immediately. Okay, weekly routine, same check exterior, clean exterior, and check hose, outlet, and clean monthly. Weighing is required, so weigh the cylinder. If 10% less than, send for recharging. Okay. Yearly, there has to be a pressure test that has to be carried out at 200 bar before recharging. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll see the dry chemical powders and fixed firefighting systems also. Okay. Semi-portable extinguishers also we'll try to cover in this. So thank you very much.
One thing, just repeat, I missed some portion. That is electrical fire not comes under any type, right, sir?
Yes, it is doesn't come any type of this one. Already I have mentioned here.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
So it is not coming. This fire is not coming at all in any of these. So as per the ISO and as per the FPA, that's what the FSS refer. As per that, we have only this category of fire: A, B, C, D, F or K. F or K. So F is for the cooking oil, K is also for cooking oil, but F is by the ISO and K is given as per the NFPA.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.